Yeah. Hi, students. In this video, we will see the pharmacology experiment virtual. How to perform virtual? What are the software is available? Okay, virtually in the lab, because government is nowadays not allowing to do the experiment directly by bringing the animals into the lab. Not at all accept. Yeah. After entry of your password and login, you have to get login now. Yeah, here you can see that you have a number of list of all the experiments. See here, all these experiments, number of experiments they have given. You can perform it, all the experiments virtually within a fraction of time. You can perform. Not much required. Not much time is required. See, for example, see effect of different drugs on frog's heart. That I will click on that. Okay, so you will get a pop-up like this. Here, this you have to press it. Frog heart virtual experiment. Okay, so you will get one message here. You have to be click on this to perform this experiment. Yeah, this is the experimental setup for the effects of drugs on the frog's heart. Okay, now see, frog heart is ready now here. Otherwise, you have to do it practically. You have to bring the bread, you have to pitting it, you go for anesthesia, pitting it, then you have to dissect it, you open the thing, and you have to isolate the heart. Instead of everything, now the heart is ready with this software. See here, heart is ready, heart is beating. Okay, and see, this is a kymograph drum, just like a smoking drum, kymograph drum. Here you will get a graph paper like this. This is the graph what we are going to get it. If you want to this stop, you can press the stop. See, your drum has rotation of the drum is stopped here. Rotation of the kymograph is stopped here. Okay, if you want to start it, again kymograph is moving. This is the first part. Now, so I will start. Okay, keep it running, no problem. Here, this is the frog's heart, and here you can see this is the liver, just like a pen. How you are writing a pen on the graph paper, in the same fashion, this is making the points here. And the speed of this liver, pen, liver, or whatever it may be, directly proportional to the frog's heart. If frog heart is beating fast, this liver also moving fast. Okay, if frog's heart is beating slowly like this, in the same fashion, this liver, pen is there, whatever is there, that liver also moving very slowly, moving very slowly. Okay, it is a directly proportional. Now, what we have to do, we can put a various drugs on the heart now. All virtual drugs only. That is also virtual. Everything is virtual. No. If I put the few drops of drug here, what happened to the heartbeat? We will see here. We can see what happened to the frog's heart. In the same fashion, what happened? The beats also will be either increase or decrease. That we are now going to observe. Okay. So first here you can see this is the selected drug. So I have selected the epinephrine. Epinephrine, we know it is nothing but adrenaline. Adrenaline comes in the sympathetic system. Sympathetic system increases the heartbeat. We know very well. Okay, epinephrine, other name is the adrenaline. Adrenaline, now I will keep on the few drops on the heart. Now I will inject the drug to the heart. Okay, and I will observe what will be the heart rate, either increase or decrease, that we will observe. Below that, norepinephrine is there. It is nothing but a noradrenaline. Okay, now epinephrine I have selected. Here, dose also, if you want how much you want, it can be increase or decrease. Now inject the drug. See here, now I injected. See, sympathetic system is activated. Heartbeats are increasing. See here, you will get a bigger curve. And here, you can stop the drum and you observe that. Here, heart rate is increased to 75. Heart rate, basic heart rate, basal heart rate is increased to 65. That is, and epinephrine, because what we have given injection is the epinephrine. Epinephrine increases the heart rate. That's why it beated very fastly. Okay, when the drug is completed its action, then again it become a normal. See here, the curve height is also here also increased. Here also curve height increased. Okay, then after this, you have to save this. You can make a photograph, or you can be note down what is the heart rate, what is the BHR, how much dose of epinephrine you have given. That and all you can be write in your record. Now you have to go for washout before giving a one more drug. You can be washed out completely. See, now I have washed out. Again, fresh heart, fresh liver, everything has came is a fresh. Now what I will do, I will select the norepinephrine. That is a noradrenaline. Noradrenaline also comes under the this one only, sympathetic system. Sympathetic system increases the heartbeat. Now I will inject the drug. See here, I injected. Now it is acting on that. See heart rate here, the curve is increased. See here, observe that here. Height of the curve is increased. Even though this becomes a widen, height of the curve is become. See now, I will stop this and you observe that. BHR is a 68, heart rate increased to 64. Okay, this is a norepinephrine. This also you have to be note down. Take a photo and paste it in your record book. Okay, directly you can be paste it. Now again you wash out. So fresh, again fresh solvent, everything has fresh heart, fresh liver, everything has came fresh. Now we will select the propranolol. Propranolol, we know it is a beta 1 blocker. Beta 1 present in the heart. Beta 1 it stops the heart. It reduces the heartbeat. Propranolol. Okay, that we know very well. Propranolol, atenolol, all these one. Now I will inject. See here, inject. See, now I injected, so propranolol decreases the heart rate. See how slowly the liver is moving. Even see the graph, see now the drug is empty, so again it become a normal. This green color what you have saw here, it is a one. So now I will stop, and now you take a photograph and paste, you can be paste in that. Here you can see 67, HR is reduced to 48. 48. In case of adrenaline, noradrenaline, it is increased. Epinephrine, norepinephrine, it is increased. See here, propranolol. Here you have drug has given propranolol. Okay, again we will go for the washout. Yeah. Now we will see the acetylcholine. Acetylcholine, we know it is comes in the parasympathetic system. Acetylcholine. Okay, parasympathetic system, heartbeat is reduced, opposite to that of the sympathetic system. That point you have to keep in your mind. Okay, so now I will select the acetylcholine. Yeah. Okay, I will inject the drug now. See, acetylcholine is reducing. Okay, see how it is reducing acetylcholine, parasympathetic system. Now it was there in the parasympathetic system. So when the drug is completed, again it becomes to a normal. And you can stop. You can see here acetylcholine, ACH. Heart rate is 39 and BHR is a 66. Like that you can be note down. If you want to increase the dose, you can increase and you can be check it again like that. Okay, this is a wonderful software. Within 10 minutes, all the drugs I tested. Just imagine that. That is the power of this software. Very cheap and best. You can do it practically. I have shown the demo also. I will go for washout now. So I will stop here the experiment. In the next video, we will see the another experiment. Let us see. So after came out, you just click on the logout. So here logout will be there. Yeah, now it is came to logout. Yeah, okay. So I will end my session here. Thank you.